Recording. Oh, no, that's the best. Next thing you know, you just find that's a piece of shit.
See this piece of shit here?
Yep.
Well, I got anger issues, stress, lots of other shit. So I'm gonna destroy it. Welcome to Redneck Channel.
Yo, buddy, they gonna hit with the damn head. Hit it, Joe!
Yo, use the actual axe side.
Yeah, use the axe side.
Actually chop it.
Damn.
This shit's hilarious.
Alright.
We're not done.
Don't you dare.
Dude, as soon as I'm done with this, I'll post it on my YouTube channel.
Get this sword at. Hey,
I actually stuck it.
hey, Joe. Hold on. Let me put this up there.
Yeah, the dude breaking the microwave is my cousin. It's hilarious as hell. Woo! That did a full 360.
I didn't poke it. Joe, hurry up.
Yeah, we do a lot of retarded shit. Hey, don't destroy the wheels. Those are our seats, man. Those are what we sit on, motherfucker.
Right there.
All right.
Joe, you gotta tie it with you.
This is how you do stupid shit like a redneck.
Hey.
This is what Redneck Town, Redneck United States of America.
This is what
We're in Redneck Nation.
Jack learned it. It's a mess. Put that right there. Stop throwing them damn stars at me. Fuck them bitches. Living cookies.
Oh, shit. Pop the damn tires too.
No, don't pump my seat. That one's mine.
It didn't even puncture.
Damn, Joe. Whee! Oh, shooting fast.
Yeah.
Don't destroy that.
I really want to destroy that.
Yeah, you can't. She will get pissed.
Nevaeh. Our mom would be pissed. And for some odd reason, Renda told me something about that you might be our new like brother.